In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using CSV Excel or Google Sheets. Before we begin, make sure you have your task list ready in a spreadsheet. Asana works best with a CSV file, so if you're starting from Excel or Google Sheets, you can save or download it as a CSV. A quick tip to avoid headaches: put clear headers in the first row, like task name, assignee, due date, description, and section. Keep dates consistent and make sure every task has a name. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type Asana into the search bar and click the official Asana website to open it. If you're not already signed in, sign into your workspace so you can create a new project. Once you're in Asana, look for the option to create a project. Open that, and then choose Import from the options in the upper right. This tells Asana you want to bring in tasks from a file instead of building the project from scratch. Give your project a clear, meaningful name so your teammates recognize it later. For example, you could call it Project Management Workflow, or use the exact name of the initiative you're importing. Good naming now saves confusion later. Next, select the file to import. You'll see an option to select a file or simply drag and drop it into the window. Choose your CSV file from your computer and click Open. It can help to close the spreadsheet before uploading, especially if your system locks files while they're open. Double check that your columns look clean and that there aren't extra blank rows at the bottom of the sheet. Wait a moment while Asana uploads the file. You'll see a progress indicator, and larger files may take a little longer depending on your connection. When prompted, choose Continue with Asana AI. This will analyze your sheet and suggest a project structure based on your headers and the content it detects. It's designed to save time and reduce manual setup. Click Continue to confirm the suggestions. If everything looks good, proceed to Create Project. Asana will generate your project with tasks, sections, and details pulled from your file. That's it. Your tasks are now in Asana. You can switch between list or board views, and when you're ready, you can fine-tune fields, due dates, or assignments inside Asana. Importing via CSV from Excel or Google Sheets is a fast way to go from planning to execution without retyping anything. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly imported project.